Are you running Facebook or Instagram ads but not getting real results? Let me show you someone how can actually fix that. This is Rohal, a Fiverr Pro Facebook and Instagram ads expert with over 7 years of experience and more than 2,000 company managed. If you want ads that doesn't just run but actually converge, this is the guy for you. He's set up everything: smart audience targeting, high converting ad copy, scroll stopping creative, pixel setup plus retargeting, full ad strategy built to get real revenue. His clients love him with over 1000 reviews. People say he's fast, easy to work with him, and they really know how to lower cost and increase conversion. If you are a local business, service provider, or e-commerce brand, if or tired of wasting money on boosting posts, this is perfect for you. If you're ready for real results for your meta ads, click the link in the description and start today. Let's see you next one.